Hey guys, it's Ellie,
Ava, and Emily
over here at Athens Dodge. And today we're going to be showing you guys how to use this 12-inch touchscreen display. So right now it's on the split touchscreen display, so if you swipe to the right, you can see more sources, and at the bottom, all the climate settings. And at the bottom, you can adjust all the buttons by holding them down and rearranging all the apps. So down here we have the media, we have the navigation with the whole map, we have the climate controls, we have all the apps, and we'll get back to those later. And then also we have the phone settings to connect, and then we have more controls and a backup camera. And then with all the apps, it's where you can store all the little different icons. So whenever you hit the top right settings button and you click on display, and then you hit set theme, and you can change the whole entire theme of the display. And it changes up here. So I could just sit in this truck for hours just messing around with the screen.
And if you want to see more cool features on this display, then come to Athens Dodge where you expect more
And get more.